How much do you need to start day trading? Obviously it depends, guys. Is your goal to be able to afford a car such as this? Or maybe your goal is something as simple as being able to afford your pet, buying gas heater whenever it's like during winter, or being able to afford yourself in terms of the clothes that you wear. It all depends on what your goals are. So obviously, if your goal is to own a beautiful car such as this one here, it means that you will need a bit of enough capital to be able to reach those goals quicker. Or maybe let's say if you need something similar to that, something small. Obviously, an account such as $50 or $100 wouldn't be much to start off with. I mean, like, that's the rightest amount that you can be looking at. But if you are looking into maybe buying a home, moving your family out the hood, or doing certain things for your family, you are going to be needing amounts such as like at least $1,000 or above. I've seen people that start with at least over $10,000, but those are numbers that if you do have, you can invest into it. But it doesn't matter how much you start with. I think the right amount that I can say you need to start up with is in the mind. The right amount that you need to be looking at is in the mind. So it's not about how much you start with, it's about what skills do you acquire while you are starting, what knowledge do you go out and get while you are starting, and on top of that, what are you doing with those skills, how are you applying those skills. So forget about how much do you start with, focus more on where do you have to start, or what do you need to do in order to start the right way.